Hello everyone, so today's recipe is Nigerian's Chinchin, and how we'll be showing you how to make it. First you have to arrange your ingredients so that you don't miss anyone out, and for today we are making a nutmeg flavored Chinchin, and this version is the fried version and not the baked version. And if you'd like to know how to make this, so please keep watching. So the first thing I'll be doing as usual is to add your dry ingredients together in a bowl by adding your sifted flour first, then your nutmeg, your baking powder, then your salt. Don't forget the salt actually tends to give your chin taste. Then after that you mix together like I did here before finally adding in your sugar. You can actually mix either by using your hands, your spatula, or you can even use a whisk for this process. But just ensure your ingredients are properly, the dry ingredients properly mixed together. Then after adding your sugar and mixing, then you add in your margarine or butter. Then you mix it with your dry ingredients together. So after mixing, you'll feel the texture on your hand is different from when it was just the dry ingredients alone. Then but ensure during this process that your hands are clean, or whatever you'll be using to mix is actually clean. Then you make a hole in the middle of your dry ingredient. Then you come in with your liquid ingredients, that is the milk, then the egg, which you ensure you mix them both together. Then you mix, after which you can cut it into various portions and allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you roll them out and slice. But ensure on the surface you're going to be rolling is actually you apply some flour to it so that it doesn't stick to the surface or your rolling pin. Then you spread it out by using your rolling pin and applying a little pressure on it and just roll out. Then you can slice to your desired shape and sizes as you desire before frying. You can use either a knife for this or your pizza cutter. Just ensure you cut to the size, something that will enable you cut easily to the size you desire and shapes. Then it's ready to be fried. Then you ensure you stir at intervals so that you don't let it to get burnt. Once it's golden brown, it's ready to be served. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.